Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to add your region on Instagram. If you're looking to update your profile with your city or town, we've got you covered with these simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Then, select Edit Profile from the menu that pops up. Scroll down until you see the Contact Options section. Tap on Business Address, and then select City/Town from the options provided. Enter your city in the text field, and then tap on the check icon at the top right corner of the screen to save your changes. And there you have it. Your city or town is now displayed on your Instagram profile for all your followers to see. It's a simple and easy way to personalize your profile and connect with others in your region. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your Instagram experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.